Welcome to Neural Nickels, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its endless possibilities. In today's video, we're diving into the top 15 ideas to make money with AI. From innovative tech solutions to cutting-edge applications, we'll uncover lucrative opportunities that harness the power of AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or simply curious about the future of AI, this list is packed with creative ways to capitalize on this rapidly evolving technology. Stay tuned to discover the top 15 ideas to make money with AI. Number 15. AI-powered agricultural technology, smart irrigation systems. These systems utilize AI algorithms to optimize water usage in agriculture, ensuring crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. By analyzing weather data, soil moisture levels, and plant requirements, smart irrigation systems help farmers conserve water and improve crop yields. While ranked at number 15, these systems play a crucial role in sustainable farming practices. AI solutions in agriculture, like smart irrigation systems, focus primarily on water management, making them essential for efficient and eco-friendly crop production. Number 14. AI-based virtual assistants. Amazon Alexa. Alexa is a popular virtual assistant developed by Amazon. It offers voice-controlled capabilities for smart home devices, music streaming, and more. Ranked at number 14, Alexa stands out for its extensive compatibility with various smart home products and services. Compared to other virtual assistants, Alexa may have limitations in terms of natural language processing and contextual understanding. However, its vast ecosystem of skills and integrations makes it a versatile choice for users seeking a convenient and connected home experience. Number 13. AI-driven predictive maintenance. Equipment health monitoring. This technology uses AI algorithms to analyze equipment data in real time, predicting potential failures and recommending maintenance actions. Ranked at number 13, equipment health monitoring offers proactive maintenance strategies that can reduce downtime and maintenance costs. AI-driven predictive maintenance solutions, such as equipment health monitoring, may focus more on individual equipment performance rather than holistic system optimization. Nevertheless, its ability to detect issues early and prevent breakdowns makes it a valuable tool for industries seeking to enhance equipment reliability and efficiency. Number 12. AI-powered autonomous vehicles, self-driving shuttles. These vehicles are equipped with AI technology to navigate predefined routes and transport passengers autonomously. Self-driving shuttles, which come in at number 12, offer a glimpse into the future of urban transportation, providing efficient and eco-friendly mobility solutions. AI-powered autonomous vehicles like self-driving shuttles may have limitations in terms of speed and range, so they often operate within specific areas or campuses. Their focus on short-distance transportation and last-mile connectivity makes them ideal for reducing traffic congestion and enhancing public transportation accessibility in urban environments. Number 11. AI-based language translation services. Neural machine translation, NMT. NMT utilizes deep learning algorithms to improve the accuracy and fluency of translated text across multiple languages. NMT represents a significant advancement in language translation technology, offering more contextually accurate translations compared to traditional methods. AI-based language translation services, such as NMT, may still face challenges with complex or specialized terminology, which impact its precision in certain domains. However, its ability to handle natural language nuances and deliver more coherent translations makes it a valuable tool for global communication and cross-cultural interactions. Number 10. AI-driven demand forecasting, predictive analytics software. This technology leverages AI algorithms to analyze historical data, market trends, and external factors to predict future demand for products or services. Ranked at number 10, predictive analytics software offers businesses valuable insights into consumer behavior and market dynamics, enabling more accurate demand forecasting and inventory management. AI-driven demand forecasting solutions that use predictive analytics software may rely more on historical data and statistical models, potentially limiting their adaptability to rapidly changing market conditions. Nonetheless, its ability to provide data-driven forecasts remains essential for optimizing supply chain operations and meeting customer demand efficiently. Number 9. AI-powered image and video analysis, object detection systems. These systems use AI algorithms to identify and locate objects within images or videos, enabling applications in security, retail, and autonomous vehicles. Ranked at number 9, object detection systems offer precise and efficient object recognition capabilities, enhancing visual understanding and decision-making processes. In comparison to AI-powered image and video analysis solutions, object detection systems may focus more on individual object identification rather than complex scene analysis. But their ability to accurately detect and classify objects in real time makes them valuable for various industries seeking automated visual inspection and surveillance capabilities. Number 8. AI-based algorithmic trading, sentiment analysis tools. These tools utilize AI to analyze market sentiment from news articles, social media, and other sources to make informed trading decisions. Number 8. Sentiment analysis tools provide traders with valuable insights into market emotions and trends, helping them anticipate price movements and adjust their strategies accordingly. In comparison to AI-based algorithmic trading solutions, sentiment analysis tools may focus more on qualitative data interpretation rather than quantitative analysis. Nevertheless, their ability to gauge market sentiment in real time offers traders a unique perspective for enhancing decision-making processes and optimizing trading outcomes. Number 7. AI-driven recommendation engines, content personalization platforms. These platforms leverage AI algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences, delivering personalized recommendations for content, products, or services. Ranked at number 7, content personalization platforms offer tailored experiences that enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Content personalization platforms may focus more on individual user preferences rather than collaborative filtering techniques. However, their ability to create unique and relevant recommendations based on user interactions makes them essential for businesses seeking to improve customer retention and drive conversions through personalized experiences. Number 6. AI-powered fraud detection systems, anomaly detection software. These systems utilize AI algorithms to identify unusual patterns or behaviors that deviate from normal activities, helping detect fraudulent transactions or activities. Ranked at number 6, anomaly detection software offers advanced capabilities in detecting subtle anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior, enhancing fraud prevention measures. AI-powered fraud detection systems that use anomaly detection software may excel in detecting outliers and irregularities, but could require additional fine-tuning to reduce false positives. But its ability to uncover hidden fraud patterns and anomalies makes it a valuable tool for organizations combating financial fraud and cyber threats. Number 5. AI-driven healthcare diagnostics, medical imaging analysis systems. These systems use AI algorithms to analyze medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans for accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. At number 5, medical imaging analysis systems offer precise and efficient interpretation of complex imaging data, aiding healthcare professionals in detecting abnormalities and diseases. Medical imaging analysis systems excel at visual data processing and interpretation, but may have limitations in analyzing non-imaging data for comprehensive diagnostics. Nevertheless, their ability to enhance diagnostic accuracy and streamline healthcare workflows makes them indispensable in modern medical practices. Number 4. AI-powered content creation tools, natural language generation, NLG software. These tools leverage AI to generate human-like text from structured data, enabling automated content creation for various purposes. Ranked at number 4, NLG software excels in producing coherent and contextually relevant written content, making it ideal for generating reports, articles, and product descriptions. In comparison to higher-ranked AI-powered content creation tools, NLG software may focus more on text generation rather than multimedia content creation. However, its ability to streamline content production processes and deliver high-quality written material sets it apart as a valuable tool for businesses and content creators seeking efficient and scalable content generation solutions. Number 3. AI-based predictive analytics for businesses, customer segmentation, and targeting solutions. These solutions utilize AI algorithms to analyze customer data and behavior, segmenting customers into distinct groups for targeted marketing strategies. Ranked at number 3, customer segmentation and targeting solutions offer businesses the ability to personalize marketing campaigns and tailor product offerings to specific customer segments. In comparison to other AI-based predictive analytics, these solutions may focus more on customer-centric strategies rather than broader business forecasting. However, their emphasis on understanding and engaging with customers on a personalized level makes them essential for driving customer acquisition and retention in competitive markets. Number 2. AI-driven personalized marketing campaigns, Dynamic content optimization platforms. These platforms leverage AI to deliver personalized content and messages to individual users based on their preferences and behavior, optimizing engagement and conversion rates. Coming in at number 2, dynamic content optimization platforms excel in creating tailored marketing campaigns that adapt in real time to user interactions and feedback. AI-driven personalized marketing campaigns that use dynamic content optimization platforms may focus more on content customization and real-time adjustments rather than comprehensive customer journey mapping. However, their ability to deliver hyper-personalized experiences at scale makes them a powerful tool for enhancing marketing effectiveness and driving customer engagement. Number 1. AI-powered chatbots for customer service. Conversational AI assistants. These advanced chatbots use AI and natural language processing to engage with customers in real time, providing personalized assistance and resolving queries efficiently. Ranked at number 1, conversational AI assistants offer seamless interactions, understanding complex queries and context to deliver human-like responses. Their ability to handle a wide range of customer inquiries, automate tasks, and provide 24/7 support sets them apart as the top choice for enhancing customer service experiences. Compared to lower-ranked AI solutions, conversational AI assistants excel in conversational abilities, adaptability, and customer satisfaction, making them indispensable for businesses looking to improve customer engagement and support services. In this comprehensive list, we've explored the top 15 ideas to make money with AI, ranging from innovative tech solutions to cutting-edge applications across various industries. From AI-powered chatbots for customer service to dynamic content optimization platforms, each ranking highlights the unique capabilities and benefits of leveraging AI for business success. Check out these AI-driven opportunities and discover how they can revolutionize your approach to entrepreneurship and innovation. Embrace the power of AI and unlock endless possibilities to drive growth, efficiency, and profitability in your ventures. The future is AI, and the possibilities are limitless.